Guys, so I could save room by removing the trim tool kit from the storage case, and then I could remove a bunch of space by taking everything out of all the containers here. I could remove a bunch of space by getting rid of the one bottle that the tip's cut off of and just leaving the rest of them just in a bottle and not in the plastic. And then I can save a bunch of room by removing these out of the baggies, removing these out of the bit organizers, and save a bunch of storage by removing these out of the bit organizers. I can remove a bunch of I can make a bunch of space in the whole setup by removing them out of all these cases. Even though it's going to be disorganized. Same for this. And then same for my wrench drawer. And then same for the socket. I can save room in there too as well, even though it would be disorganized. And probably save not much room here at all, because the only thing I can remove out of a case would be the earplugs. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab too. YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.